The right camping tent can make or break your outdoor adventure. Whether you're planning a weekend family trip, a backcountry expedition, or a festival getaway, having a reliable shelter that keeps you dry, comfortable, and protected matters more than almost any other piece of gear. Today, we're reviewing the best camping tents that deliver weather protection, livable space, and durability, from budget-friendly options to spacious family shelters. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 6. Coleman Skydome 4. When budget-conscious camping meets surprisingly thoughtful design, you get a tent that delivers far more than its price tag suggests. For casual campers, families starting out, or those who camp a few times yearly, this offers functional shelter without breaking the bank. The pre-bent poles create steeper walls that make the interior feel notably more spacious than traditional dome tents at this price. Setup is refreshingly quick thanks to pre-attached poles. The wide front door provides easy access, while the included gear loft keeps essentials organized overhead. The full-fly vestibule version adds valuable external storage for keeping camp chairs, boots, and gear dry during wet weather. An unexpected bonus is how compact this packs compared to most car camping tents. The trade-offs are straightforward. Fiberglass poles don't inspire confidence in wind. They shatter under stress, unlike aluminum that bends. The single-door design feels limiting, and at 55 inches peak height, taller campers won't stand comfortably. For beginners, occasional campers, or budget-conscious adventurers who prioritize function over fancy features, this covers the basics reliably. Consider sizing up to the 6-person model for more space. Number 5. Kelty Discovery Basecamp 4. In a crowded budget tent market where many manufacturers sacrifice too much for affordability, this stands out by refusing to cut essential features or comfort. It proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get reliable shelter that covers the basics and more. The crossed pole design with quick corners, short pole sleeves securing pole ends makes setup intuitive. Modern pole clips suspend the canopy efficiently, keeping the price accessible. The huge single door provides excellent access, eliminating cramped entry frustrations. Where this shines is weather protection at this price. The brow pole sets porch coverage back to protect the door window from wind-driven rain, a feature budget tents often skip. When properly staked with the rainfly guide out, this keeps you impressively dry. Interior storage pockets line each side, keeping gear organized and the floor clutter-free. The traditional design isn't the tallest option, so if vertical space is priority, consider cabin-style alternatives. Available in 4- and 6-person sizes with pre-attached guy lines and easy-to-pack storage duffel, don't expect it to last forever at this price. But you'll get plenty of summers from this tent, making it an easy choice for budget-conscious campers who refuse to compromise on essential features. Number 4. The North Face Wawana 4. Recently upgraded with a double-wall design and re-engineered poles, this family-focused tent delivers thoughtful features that elevate the camping experience. Clever details make this shelter stand out in the mid-range category. The unique hooped pole design creates an impressive 28-square-foot vestibule, providing generous covered space to organize gear while keeping everything dry. Inside, the 68-inch peak height allows adults to move comfortably without hunching, transforming tent living from cramped to genuinely livable. The innovative rear door doubles as an organizational center, adding functionality beyond simple entry. Excellent breathability keeps air moving, preventing condensation in humid conditions. Interior storage pockets keep essentials organized. The rainfly has an unusual shape, extending to the ground at the vestibule, then rising to window height. Once you figure out orientation, setup becomes straightforward. However, the fly doesn't cover the rear door, relying on a waterproof zipper, which may not seal out heavy rain completely. For fair-weather family camping where you need abundant space and comfort, this excels. Just consider the forecast. This thrives in moderate conditions rather than severe weather. Number 3. Nemo Aurora High-Rise 4P. When vertical space transforms tent living from tolerable to genuinely comfortable, you get a shelter that redefines family camping. The innovative pole design bumps exterior walls to near vertical, creating the most livable 4-person tent footprint available. The 75-inch peak height extends far across the interior, allowing easy maneuvering when setting up pads or moving past tent mates. Unlike cabin tents that sacrifice wind resistance for headroom, this balances livability with weather performance. Two doors fold completely away into door jamb pockets, revealing 62.5 square feet of floor space with a fun argyle pattern. Dual vestibules provide ample storage. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates 3 adults or a family of 4. Couples seeking luxurious space will find this an indulgent base camp. Large side windows offer excellent views and ventilation. The rainfly's limitation is incomplete window coverage. Typical rain poses no problem, but wind-driven precipitation can penetrate seams. Available in 4-person and 6-person sizes for families prioritizing interior comfort and vertical space over extreme weather protection, this delivers unmatched livability that makes extended camping genuinely enjoyable. Number 2. White Duck Bell Regatta 13 Feet Tent. For glampers who want to live comfortably in the outdoors rather than merely survive, this canvas shelter transforms camping into a luxurious experience. With 132 square feet of internal space and 8 feet 2 inches overhead height, you can genuinely stand and move without stooping. This isn't a backpacking tent, it's a base camp sanctuary. The massive interior accommodates 4 camping cots with gear storage, or up to 6 sleeping pads. Add camp furniture like chairs, tables, or a couch to create an actual living space. Specific models include a stove jack for adding a wood stove. Setup requires just 2 poles, one center, one over the doorway, plus staking with included guy lines. Everything is overbuilt, stakes resemble rebar, and the Dynatech canvas feels incredibly robust, shedding heavy rain without leaking. The trade-offs are substantial. At 70 pounds packed, you'll need help transporting and setting up. This is a premium investment, but the exceptional durability promises decades of reliable use, making it worthwhile for serious campers. For families seeking elevated camping experiences, multi-day hunts, or extended base camps where comfort matters, this delivers unmatched livability that redefines what camping can be. Number 1. Ray Co-op Base Camp 6. When versatility, weather protection, and thoughtful design come together, you get a tent that truly does it all. While not the largest or most affordable, this delivers everything needed to make camping effortless. The mountaineering-inspired design employs a durable polyester rainfly, providing full coverage and exceptional weather resistance. Massive vestibules create 27 square feet at the front and 17 at the back, ample room for gear storage. 4 main poles intersect for structural strength, while a brow pole bumps out the vestibule. With 84 square feet of floor space, 6 campers sleep comfortably. Large doors at either end allow easy exits without crawling over tent mates. Storage pockets, 3-point ventilation, and reflective trim enhance livability. Setup is intuitive thanks to color-coded poles and attachment points. The freestanding design stands without stakes, though using all-included stakes and guy lines maximizes stability against wind and rain. The tent peaks just over 6 feet, so taller individuals won't stand fully upright. At 20 pounds, this is strictly for car camping. For families camping multiple times yearly who want reliable, weather-resistant shelter with exceptional livability, this is a premium investment that delivers season after season. And there you have it. The best camping tents that'll keep you comfortable and protected on every adventure. If this video helped you choose the right tent, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more outdoor gear reviews. Now get out there and explore with confidence.